me fa girl no because me need funny face. And listen, I didn't just take her in. My friend, that one na Jonah na my friend funny face. The woman so on him no kura ni nyina. So me person make us. That one na Jonah, my friend na wa for me sending a voice message. So funny. Why do you be di me hanti bomo dey anebra? Because on kura dey my friend na ya. On friend na sew. Because na on me baako. Na one no edit one of them young women na omo family to say emma no. Omo family to say maame no. It will not frame myself. So funny face knows me very well. And you change. It will frame myself. So I even took the girl in. And I'm seeing. On what it was, so I chilling on what's after say, my jama, my money, my many, or one or more. And I'm saying, half in a way, but on me, had no more to bra. And sana over. Sabre not take 3 days. It's a don't say what you don't know. I am not stupid. I will never. And a girl in the first place, no worry anymore. But I never me busa girl. Me na me cry na me pa girl me tell say. No son chinko ware be. Said the money na money me de bia me ka say me nya oku. Aye wo on ware no, but why about be ma on now. To on now, let's ask my ba. Let's wa ba be. Nya na me ba be say ya ware ente. Me na me catch the girl no so. Me na me catch the girl no say. Ma me say uncle. What's your panicho? Mr. For what you go? Na sabre na enye no. Na fe ni our babies no they were like I think say 1.5 months or so. Tinen kwa na e take. Ti girl no kwa no insist say e bo like adiasa because the guy got here around 12 midnight. To see a bo nti won timi mfa kwala no. Mpese ode nkwala na be fa bo no so nti man ba cho ma me na de achia na mako na msi you. Enti wada ha bio ade chia no pa me ko madwuma no enna funny face friend say mami masoma se enko fan me yire na msi you na girl no so man ba jo na na asoma se me family na msi you eti me bone ya me ye na no dey and that was the last I heard of it. The next time we meet here, say girl no cry wo girl no wo dey groom that and no friend me no say mami ba jo me ko and I'm say aden. And all kind of story, baby. But of course, I'm not here to narrate the story on the mecha. It's the only thing I did answer my friend, Nana Asena. I didn't see. And I started so Casa baby, I'm saying, she. Yeah, girl, no dear. Why, baby mama. And of course, wherever you grant interviews, be okay, go for say, she's your baby mama. She's not your wife. Why, Naoka? And he says, me power child. Said the baby will be until one come in. Me, I'm not, and you make a big cotton this story. I am not interested. Go first, says the mammy, whoa, baby, I'm a counselor, and I'm not interested in destroying somebody's home. It's your baby, no more, and only must have moved. Now, what back, baby, mammy can be being chill. Mammy, papa, who could you know will be paid now? Could John someone dream as someone who can some crowd with me a cambroso? Yes, you will be pardoned for it. Because everybody knows say there's a casa ten one in pem. But so what should I could show at them didier? What idea some money? No question, Mr. Mobi and friend. Well, if you don't know anything, don't even say it. Because no question me women. I have never done anything. Me bonny and me yeah and say, girl no friend me say, ni kwa bono or how girl no me didn't come be or phone so na me no that. But not me didn't come over phone so. But na me no that. So the very first day now oba me chain because of friend oba me chain and it da oba me fee her. Da no bedroom da no na so na me friend na ya. It I'm wondering say me the ABC because last year August girl no cry so ja na hokwa ko sache it me hu the abai and recently ya kakra bia afi de me na afi de ye twa me ada party said the woman say kame nipa bibiri aka jem se me kasa nya no me kura me nyama dwe se me kasa ba ne woman say asem bi ho ba wan kire mu ana because nipa bibiri bi hu se ne nipa mu ade me ko obi a page nko didi na tem da ho it me nye bi so da me ko obi page nko didi na tem da crofo ba me page da bia e be didi matem but se wonni ma se munni mu a me didi matem and na don't feel say e bia me je adwuma na me ana me je adwuma o UTV ya mpamo me Father Dixon wo ho Father Dixon, on a girl only didn't come once here. With Musan, I am mean coming go to Father Dixon on a girl, it didn't come on me. Busan, on no grand, I catch a girl and say, my girl, no, and me cash. Because me cry, me catch a girl and say, oh, me can't say me see no being who's a me, a Father Dixon, and I stop a girl no from coming to even see the truth. Busan, Sameboa, I have an audio. That girl no so no konya Quebec. And so father said man in casa. And so she doesn't also want to go contrary to their father can. And my girl no me vindicate me. Because me girl no say on kokra me man ne call ya na ya ona de ne yire call. Months back oh. And ne esa say me free multimedia nti a me ye me adwuma nyame adwuma no so de e de bi Paul say de na betete ani Kristo do mu ohia na amane ana otaya na bibie ni ho betete ni Kristo do mu menye hwe ini obi atem everybody who knows me enkrofo didi matem mo say I keep women in their marriages so even when they are dying me mo me pese o mo beja. That is what people assault me for, and I'm sure say oh baby or why be on be masembia can attest to that. Enkrofo didi matem mo say me mo kora me man enkrofo enya aware adentina obi brade bia me say don't leave your marriage. So I don't see the reason why I make actually be so binya na. But the truth is say ebi ano no na ya no he was misinformed, but in same baby woman no me bi mankom but ebi ana ye ne say because perhaps the girl listens to me ebi ana me catch. I didn't even know how the girl went back to ni mama. Nti ba twa dru baby na mu di dinkrofo atemu a monto mo boas dru baby na asem bi so ntia ase a busa ye mu bebri wo no be because of baby nyame de ya hye ni nti no it is difficult for us to say some things, but baby ameka ho entesufufu ni entesukoko wo bi anu but your choice de obe decide say obey your choice na be me decide say I will never stoop so low to come to anybody's level to insult me. No. But the truth must be told to say, me, encourage. And then, Vanessa, I'm quoting her on record. On record. What you share na mumusan. Or no one kasa say, Father Dixon say, man ma out. Now one me claim me din. And nothing why you din. And you are not going to I have her voice near din. But me, I am not that type now. Me de tina ya na ono ana yi kra na me because I just wanted her to explain for you to said the be am me nko ka hwe. But obi she chiri say the girl shouldn't talk. Said the be a minimum I will look like a bad person. Me boni am ye nyina say I went in to help somebody. Me de nyame pa mo chew. Me de nyame pa mo chew. Etia fun tantan. Metimi ayo ni. Etia fun tantan. Metimi ayo sister. Metia fun tanta metima ye osofo metia fun tanta metima ye odifo enya obone gen me ni na tam na ya busan sa me ni nya confrontation da na me ni nya confrontation da onu mum ena last gen da no again ba me fia onu mum odidi matem sa den na gen na ba na maje no na me se nana ajenza na e odi ye gen na bedwa ato ame na so so o ma o me fa ne bie mu a mate ena onu asa ye video busa me ko to obi a ono ankasa mumu sa ono o ye video a o su e de pamech ma me pa cho minim de ntia ma no tia mumu sa na se boa ono ankasa sa ye video e pa me chew e sunye se o pa me chew se na no tia me fa nchem na ya na enioma ha no o ka wi me se na me ye nipa I am a nobody. Me any party say I know say asembi hawa. You have the right to go about it by your form. And I'm on one kasa by. Obedru hana jo 12 close to 12 midnight. Minimi kune Vanessa and United. You can't summon. And na kwala nge ne kwasa on kona me pa ge ne chese mesere. Eti na ya kwasa na jo no ko ne ne ge ne ko. And na ge on say man ba jo. Me mani susa e boni be gu on so. Eti ba jo ma o de ma na. Ochina na wako. That girl ni bedru ha no me dano na me friend na ya me friend ti wanfa me sending a voice message mo busa na so se me boa nyame a wo so court won tena me ne ntem Some busan because girl no di onim no kore. But girl no say Father Dixon say man in kasa. Inti on person be kasa. Inti mena ni kunu e didi matem because ni kunu fele say bia na me na man ni kore. Asem we kore a cha me kore eno akwa me I was very much surprised. Say me na me dey na mayo. Asem we say wo buy boy me mum kra na me frɛ wo na wo buy. Na jame no kai na de echi wo be fa wo yere na de ne ko. Boni be na me girl no kra ka say ya me mesa ni fi okra me see order. Videos are na ya funny face. Posti what? Let me tell you something on record. Videos are na ya funny face. Posti what ne page. Sa videos no girl ne ba ha no. Na ya de send me say en tokwa esi won ntamunti a ama ebufuo ni ba eno no. Videos ne wo de ba no tag me din say me na me call say videos na ya funny face de ba na wa tag me ma me ye boa say me na me call say sa video me na ya on record on fi me call order sa videos da girl no dwan beto am wo me fi ha no nwumre na me na ya we kasa no na ya send me sa videos ni nyina mumu sa no so me boa o send me sa videos ye ne wa send ni nyina time a girl no yeah we no sa time na why dreadlocks girl no ba me ha no we trying dreadlocks and no no tell say ye Jimmy David and some be high but I na because of nyaminti in person be chire nsem ne ani pa nyina I say the answer wo person horo but we no I just want to tell you to see say mo ankasa mo wi a meaning pass am you are very good judges mo wi am judge baby me call me yeah wrong girl no buy no na videos na ne what you go social media trending na nyina na say it was me na me or say me na me motivate so me na me influence yen sa videos no time a girl ne ba me ha no na ya ona kasa eye funny face he sent me all those videos it busa ne say e ba ne say no de send me wo bra na girl ne wa na afi na girl ne call ye wie na me hu time me call mastermind dey na afi de me ma girl the woman say girl no free ha no mo I didn't have any hand. And I mean, him said, hey, again, could D. Kumasi, and that's what job, eh, man. The bonny, I'm here, and I said, I'm a friend. I can say, hey,